Hi, welcome to Keep Us Creative Flow. We are going to make up a card if we can. It's my sister-in-law's birthday. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, so we've got this frame which is just some triangles. So basically it's been cut, and then they've just been folded upon themselves, and it's a double-sided paper. So yep, that's all I've done. I'm not going to glue this down. I want this to be like a 3D type element. This is some decoupage that I did earlier on in the week. You can check out the video for that. I'm not sure, it's sometime earlier this week. So the first thing I was thinking of doing is actually using this makeup brush, and there's already some purple on here, so I was thinking let's just colour up the edges here first of all. Hope you guys are doing all right. Okay, make sure it's fully, oops. Might just go on the triangles as well, give it a little, because it will pick up the colour of this purple as well, hopefully. So we might as well go in the frame while we've got access. Why not? I've popped the hot glue on as well, just so it's ready for use. Been cooking today, done lots of cooking. What have I cooked? Oh, some lentil. Oh, sorry, this is Distress Oxide Worn Lipstick. I've cooked some lentil dal. Oh my goodness, I'm making a mess of this. Let me put it on the surface. Let's just do some blending in, shall we? I actually wanted to leave some white, but now I'm thinking, oh gosh. I might be able to just bring the purple in, maybe. I just wanted to edge the sides with a bit of pink, and look what's happening now. I think that's what happens when you use different brushes. As long as I leave some of the white there, fantastic. Okay, so we've got that, and we've got that as our main. Okay, this is the envelope. So let's just give this a quick black soot edging. Yes? Okay, can you take that cake out, please? And put the other one in for 35 minutes? Sorry about this. If you take that cake out and put the other one in on the side for another 35 minutes, please. Thank you. Wow, that was loud. Sorry about that. Sorry if I injured your earbuds there. I just thought it will just let this frame just a bit further. I'll do the back as well. Lovely. Okay, so perfect. So I'm just going to assemble this now, see what it looks like. Actually, for the envelope, before we carry on, let's do a little postage stamp here, a sticker postage stamp, of course. And then we've got, I'm going to go for, yep, I thought there's frames. Let's go for the frame. Come on. Oh, there you go. Stickers are so easy to use, aren't they? That is very bent, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. And then we've got the little present in the middle. Maybe we could add a little star here as well. teeny diddy one above it. Yeah. So that's cool. Happy with that. So oh god, that's definitely heated up. So let's start with, make sure that's the right way. Yes, it is. So I'm just going to start with sticking this down. I'm going to have to refill this as well. I've got the next one ready there. Some string of glue. Okie doke. And then we can put, actually I might just edge it very gently with black as well now. Only because it seems like it's disappeared into the background. Just do gentle splotches, shall we? Like, they look like dancing butterflies, don't they? And then we're going to do the same. Hopefully we've got enough. I might stick this in the back as well. Oh gosh, it's coming out. Let's do the middle first. Eek. Right, right way around. And then we're going to stick this, should we do it there? Not there, I think here's good. I think over the top is fine. Right then. Love decoupage. Can do decoupage with stamps as well. Gosh, maybe that's a bit too much there. Glue strings, peeps. Oh, that's cute. And then we have got, where's you gone? Oh, here it is. So this is from here, from there. So I've already used the happy birthday, but now I'm thinking of using this. So I've just cut it out from the waist. So we basically don't waste anything. So we actually can use this. Hang on, let me just get, let me just find an easier way of doing this. So what I use is this transpore, 3M transpore, and it's like a, it's got like ridges on it. And what this does, so if you've got any peel offs like this, or you've got an intricate design, all you have to do, actually I'll probably need something, let's use the back of this. Oh my goodness, just crack that open. Hard as you can. In fact, I might use my nail. So we want to just lift all this off without moving, like, you know, the little bits in between the happy and stuff. So this is how I learned how to do it. And then what you do, you just peel it off, and if you see any, you just press back down. So we want all of everything that's already left behind to make our new word. So just keep going back, pushing into there. Nearly there. Great. And then we want this here. I'll just leave a little gap all around. There we go. And then just going to push this, do the same thing back down. And then see if it's done it. Oh no, not yet. Oh yeah, I was saying, so I'm cooking, so I've got to try to cook some, basically I'm doing gluten-free and vegan options, so vegan bit's easy, but the gluten-free bit, so that's what's happening downstairs. So that's why I told my daughter to just sort the cake out, because we're having a little get-together. And just like magic, that is done. But what I did make as well is a wrap mix. So we've got so basically I use so many different vegetables. And the other thing I was going to do, I'm going to use her initials, but I'm going to use the waist so it looks similar to that, without trying to hurt the existing letters, because we can obviously use those. That's the trouble with the alphabet, isn't it? Once you've used a few, it's game over. You can't actually use them again. So I've got K and we need an M. So yeah, if you've got a load of these and you're thinking, oh, can't really use them, this is how you can use them. You can totally do it, guys. So I'm just going to go tuck in a bit with the cutting. So, oh, need a smidgen more. There we are. That's it. And then, actually no, that's fine. And I might do the same thing. Actually, shall we do the K first? K is the second name, so oh, let's do what we were doing before. Just bust this. As you do. That's it, and then put this on this edge. Might go slightly on the page. See that? On that bit actually, which is fine. And just gently peel back. And then we'll do the same with the M. Oh, it's alright. So yeah, it's called transpore, and it's the stuff that they some nurses use when they, you know, once you've had a blood test, if you have ever had a blood test, it's that stuff that they put on your arm. That's what this is. I'm going to use the back of the, let's use the back of the scissors. It's not coming off. Yeah, so there's a lot of cooking smells going on, so I've put the air diffuser on, put some candles on in the room downstairs. So when the visitors come in an hour or so, it won't be so smelly. And then the rest of the family, they're just going to order in food, I think. Oh, there we are. So this is our little project for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Just something different, a little technique. And hope she likes it as well. Take care for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.